This is part 4 of a series where we explore the biodiversity of Abisko, an alpine area in northern Sweden. Previous parts were filmed on Mount Borasasjokka, but for the rest of the series we will explore the lower alpine area surrounding the Abisko village. We are now in Studal Nature Reserve, a few kilometers east of the research station. And this is a large mire complex where a lot of research is conducted on climate gases and thawing permafrost. A lot of weird contraptions out here. But we are mostly looking for alpine butterflies and some interesting moss species. Jesper's found, what's it called?
Boulouria Freya.
Boulouria Freya.
Yeah, it's a fritillary here in northern Sweden.
Nice. Wow. Boulouria Freya. Jesper, so you found another alpine butterfly?
Yes, Disa's butterfly, Erevia Disa.
Nice. So now we're walking along the shores of Torne Träsk. It's a really large lake, I think the 6th or 7th largest lake in Sweden. And we are looking for some interesting plant and moss species.
Dryas octopetala. Here are the leaves.
Har capitata också. Med rost, med svarta prickar. Nej, jag har prickar, men ingen rost.
We wanted to go into the canyon, but it has been raining for a while, so it's really slippery down there. So we went above the canyon and found this large rock. What is it for? Some kind of rock, Henrik?
It's a very large boulder transported by the ice during the ice age. So it is transported tens of kilometers away from here. So this type of sandstone doesn't, the bedrock around here doesn't have this type of sandstone. And it is quite acidic, this sandstone, not so base rich, calcareous rich. And you can see that on the flora of mosses and lichens.
So show us some interesting moss species here on the sandstone boulder.
I take some lichens too. Much of the green things here is Grimmia longirostris. It's a cushion forming moss species, Grimmia longirostris, with small capsules sticking out of the cushion. And that is a species of quite acidic rocks. And we also have up here this one, Hedvigia emodica. It is newly split out of Hedvigia ciliata. This has a northern distribution in Sweden, Hedvigia emodica. And down here we have Teleedium species. I think it is Teleedium ciliare. We have some lichens too. Umbilicaria vellia. It is stuck to the rock in only one small spot on the side of the talus. And if we turn to the right here, maybe you have to go back a little bit, because this part of the rock contains completely different species. You can somehow see that the rain falls onto the rock and it's channeled. So this is a part-time stream, very short-lived stream, but anyhow, it flows nutrients from decomposing leaves and things lying on the top. And also, perhaps there has been a tree standing here, because there are so many of them, those species that need nutrition more than the rock can supply. We have Leptogium saturninum, this large fluffy black species of cyanolichen. And we have Syntrichia ruralis, the light green one with very nice long white hair tips. And let's see here, Nephroma parile, a lichen growing on the rock quite loosely. And also down here we have this one with capsules sticking out of the little bit larger cushion. This is an Ortotricum levigat. No, it's an Ortotricum species. I forgot the name. That is especially growing on these nutrient-rich part-time flushes of the rocks. There is also a small Schistidium species growing here. You can somehow see the capsules down here. The capsules are hidden behind the female leaves on top of the shoots. And there are several other species. Oh, here you have Rhytidium rugosum, nowadays red-listed species in Sweden.
This is really roughened leaves, right? Looks kind of wavy.
When it's dry, then they have a very rough surface, not smooth. And when you go down a little bit, then you see this patch, full with this orange colored lichen. This is Xanthoria elegans, or nowadays I think Ruscavia elegans. That is a very good calcium indicator of calciferous rocks. So this one grows down here. So down here, the content of the rock might be a little bit different than the sandstone up here. Quite distinct and colorful.
Yes, very beautiful.
It covers a lot of the rocks down in the canyon as well.
Yes, all of the canyon is very, very calcium rich.